Hello from paradise or Balos beach, and another episode from Balos beach and lagoon. I have now walked from the main part of the beach across the water. It was around to here where I was walking. I'm also 184 long, so with speedos you won't get any water on your trousers or shorts, whatever. And it is 3 p.m. right now, and it's time for another beach adventure with Chris. Now, one boat that was in has left, and another came in, so a stampede of people is approaching towards the beach. So I'm using while it is calm and clear, as those people coming from the road are usually staying on the main beach towards that's closer to the path. People coming by boat are staying on this end, but also it's continuing along, and there is also natural pool. So now I'm actually choosing the spot where I made my last swim 2 years ago before heading back, but now I'm gonna do things a bit differently. So I made a beach vlog on the when I came down to the beach, and then I also went all the way to a nudist beach spot over there. I was all alone, there was no people in 1 kilometer radius. And now it's time for the fourth swim of the day, as I did 2 swims at the nudist beach. So let's get going and hit the waters, because I really want to enjoy fully the beauty of this paradise. So apparently those that came by boat were only for 2 hours here on shore, which is not optimal at all. And now I suppose there are a lot less people compared to when I came, but yeah, it's still a huge area, so there is space for everyone. If you walk more along the coast, you can find a spot just for yourself that I found at a nudist beach spot. And now the sun has turned around, so that's why it is better to be on this end, as you see much better indeed. Okay, before we go in, I'm gonna let you enjoy more this beautiful nature. The color of the water is amazing. Even though now clouds are incoming, still it is so beautiful and so amazing indeed. It is the last day of April, so this is how Balos looks like at the end of April. So it's gonna be amazing to start a new month tomorrow, but until then, now I have around maybe 1.5 hours left to enjoy this paradise, so let's make the most out of it. So let's then go! It is stunning. I love it. And now the stampede of people has come to this part of the beach from the boat, I mean to say. But also I see people leaving also towards the road, and I have 13.5 kilometers to reach my bus from Kisamos to Kirani, where I'm staying, but I'm gonna think about that later. I want to now fully enjoy Balos. So yeah, Balos from ancient Greek means on top of the sea, and it's definitely one of the best beaches, not just on Crete, not just in Greece, but also in the whole Mediterranean and maybe Europe. For worldwide, I think there is tough competition, but yeah, let's dive in again. So beautiful. I love it. Okay, so that is a wrap from Balos, this time from the Balos Island and the lagoon. So thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Crete.